Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. So if your Bluetooth is not working properly, reinstalling the driver can often fix a problem. So right-click on the Start button, tap on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens up, simply click on the drop-down of Bluetooth, and inside here you should see your Bluetooth adapters. Right-click on the Bluetooth adapter, and just like that, simply select Uninstall Devices. Now simply tap on Uninstall. After the uninstall is finished, the first way to reinstall a driver is by letting Windows detect it automatically. So at the very top of your device manager, click on Actions, and just like that, tap on Scan for hardware changes. Expand the Bluetooth section again and check if the Bluetooth adapter appears. If the Bluetooth adapter does not show up, you will need to reinstall the driver manually. Open your browser, and just like that, in the search bar, you can simply search for Bluetooth drivers by name. And just like that, simply click on the official page for your device. You can go to drivers and download the Bluetooth driver file, then open the installer. Follow the on-screen instruction and agree to any terms and conditions to complete the installation. Once the driver has finished installing, restart your computer, and after restarting, Bluetooth should be reinstalled and working normally on your Windows 11 system. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.